Wait a minute, dude. I need to be dual wielding these things.
Alright, dude, you have to two-hand one of them. One can be on your back, but then you're just like fucking Axel from Twisted Metal.
That's what I'm saying. No, I'm gonna. Oh, god damn it! If I ever get this shit out of my bottomless box. All right. Fuck this offhand offhand gargoyle axe. There we go, dude. There we go. Now I'm looking good. I can't fail now, dude. Oh, that's quite the leap. Oh fuck!
Dude,
I've got the.
gonna roll better.
I got the slow roll. I need to change hats real quick. No, fuck. Dude, I should not be slow rolling. Oh, there we go. What the fuck was that all about?
Video?
No, it was a slow roll.
That was the video.
No, fuck you.
Oh yeah, there it goes.
Oh god, here comes the blast that keeps killing me. Oh, no. Oh, jeez. I didn't anticipate it. I thought she was going to do that shit twice. I wasn't even looking at her because I was trying to dodge the fucking blast. Fucking cunt. Holy shit. Oh, it did the fucking jump! No, I wanted to roll. I never want to jump. Never. Never want to jump. Whatever, I'm continuing. I'm gonna see what happens if this video can go longer than 3 minutes. What are you doing over there, baby doll?
Talking to me?
Yeah.
I'm fucking lamenting the fact this game doesn't work.
There's nothing you can do?
There's nothing. Fucking searching the shit on the internet, and they're like, yo, you could potentially attempt the kiln glitch and then go into New Game Plus Plus and try that time.
Yeah, you can do the kiln glitch.
I'm like, oh my god. I gotta go into New Game Plus Plus and then it won't drop then. I'm gonna go into like New Game Plus 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 and it's just like, okay, now you got it.
Yeah, that's pretty fucking ridiculous, actually. Oh,
Everyone,
dude.
everybody in there is also lamenting them not having like this sucks. I'm in New Game Plus. And I'm like, I know, me too.
Oh, dude.
And I'm like, I never get humanity from rats.
What does that have to do with anything?
Just saying, dude. I never get humanity from rats. It pisses me off.
I get it from them all the time, dude. Because you're not a man. You're not running around with two Bonewheel Shields. Yeah,
Pisses me off. Especially since I'm running around with like fucking 30 humanity. Doesn't it give you like crazy item line?
No, it gives you like 100 or something more.
I need the fucking chest hat, dude. I just never take that shit off.
Yeah, dude, I was wearing that thing for a while. 15 poise.
The only item I've ever gotten faster than you is how I got 2 of those fucking 4-prong plows.
Oh yeah, dude.
And I was like, what up?
Oh, blasted!
In the same game, some dude ran up, gave me a fucking
Titanite slab.
Fucking murdered him on the spot.
I buried his ass, dude.
It was like, yo, I'm being a nice guy. Here's a Titanite slab. You're like, I'm gonna parry you and murder you.
Absolutely.
Just like whatever's been vanquished. You're like, dude, he was trying to punch me. I felt threatened. That was self-defense.
Naked dude trying to punch me, dude. You don't know what kind of twink he is.
Next thing you know, he busts down one of those fucking dragon bone smashers.
Oh yeah.
And punches a hole in you.
Yeah, exactly.
I understand, dude. You had to defend yourself preemptively.
Jesus, dude, this bitch. Yeah, dude, he was gonna bust out a. Oh no! He was gonna bust out a Dragon Bone Smasher.
I got another problem. You're not rolling that.
Just unholy dragon bone smash or hyper mode and just fuck your shit up.
Alright,
Like,
I know.
I'm not gonna have it from you.
I know what I need to do, dude. I need to fucking what? I need to throw these wheels like on either side of me and just roll like those fucking wheels, and just roll up to her.
Dude, I really wish you could do that shit. Just go into fucking spin mode and just go Sonic people to death.
Yeah, that should be one of the things you can do if you've got You know, one of
if
those
you're
dual
two-handing
wielding.
it, dude, you should be able to go into Sonic mode and just chase after people.
Maybe not if you're two-handing it because it has a sweet two-hand attack already. But if you're fucking rolling with two of them,
Yeah, dude, that'd be pretty sweet. You can go into like fucking two-wheeler mode and just run people down.
oh yeah, dude. Don't you teleport away? Yes, 510. Oh, jeez, oh! No, really? She teleported away from a mile. Jeez, dude, I just ran up on her. She was pissed. Oh, oh.
I like how there's a sign right in front of the blacksmith. Like, literally, you in talking range of him, this says blacksmith.
I know. Like what?
Yeah,
There's a
like-
blacksmith here?
You're like, really?
Oh,
Where? Can you point?
oh, I lived. I lived. I lived. Oh, jeez. Oh. Oh, jeez. Oh, freebie time. She's doing some arrows. Oh, 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 I'm so close to her. Come on, 2 full hits. Oh, really? I was out of stamina. Jesus, dude, that was so sketch. Oh, she's just homing soul massing me or whatever this is over and over again. Ah, 3 times. You cunt. There it come, bitch. Oh my god.
Like I just ran between those ones.
I know, right? I had the feeling. Whoop! Oh, arrows, yes. There I come, bitch. Not today.
I'm pretty sure it's already happened a couple
Oh,
times
yeah.
today.
That was yesterday. Oh yes, oh yes. Just keep doing those arrows. It's over. You done, son? No, I didn't get that extra attack off. I need to get that just clutch 1020 damage hit on her. It'll be all over for her. Dude, she just straight up piecing. Ah, 340. Here it goes, dude. This is it. This is the kill. I better have been recording this whole time.
This is world first, dude.
Oh, she's so boned!
Dude, there's no way it's recording right now.
Oh, yeah! Heretics toys in the dark. Yeah, curse me all you want. You're dead, son. Oh, yeah,
It
look
doesn't
at
really
that.
curse you so much as, you know, Londo.
She doesn't really do shit. She just makes that other person pissed at me.
Yeah, she makes the eternal darkness, doesn't she?
No, dude. Alright. There. Yeah, man.